Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to find out your Gmail password in case someone who has hacked your Gmail password or stolen by someone's, or in a case unfortunately you forgot your Gmail password. Due to old ID, now you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that easily you can rescue of it. So, what will be your best alternative panacea to rescue of your Gmail password? We will see live. Let's learn. So don't skip ahead. Every step is very crucial and important for us. This idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to losing of his device now he is not in a position to store the rescue of his Gmail password, guys. Because of now he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that easily he can rescue. Now when I attempted via common method, it's saying that, see here, you did not provide enough information, so try another way. Fine, here is asking last password. Now we don't have a phone number, guys. It's a verified ID, so we will click here, don't have phone number. Fine, tap on it. Now see here, you did not provide enough information for Google to be sure that this account is the real yours. We will ask for this info to the keep secure your account or keep your account secure. Fine, if you would like to rescue in these accounts, then try again, answer this question shown. Fine, second option is given in your account is managed with any alternative email or family link, then we have to send an email to your the parents to change your password. Yes, fine, be quit both options because this is not possible from my side here. Yes, we will try to create more alternative options to a rescue of it. So how it is? Yes, we will come in a Play Store. In the Play Store, we will download one browser that should be AI with virtual private network. So very easy to have it, that Opera browser. Just we will tap on here to install, and it has initiated to install it, guys. Fine. On the other hand, we will come in a Google product and tap on take any smartphone, apply a similar strategy, guys. Yes, there should be no SIM card inside of any smartphones. By virtue of that smartphone, you are trying to rescue of particular Gmail password, guys. Fine, so there is no SIM card. You can see here it's connected on a hotspot, and now you can use a Wi-Fi also, no problem at all. Here, just hold this Google browser and tap on in app info. We will come, and here notification will be open. We will have to make it disable for temporary, not I am doing permanence. After rescue of that, you can enable, no problem at all. We will come in a permission. In the permission here, we will have a location options, make it customized to the precise location, and click here don't allow. So it's, if you deny this permission, it's notifying to us, guys, that basic feature of your device may no longer the function is intended, but for time being I'm doing it's not a permanent, so we will make it don't allow. Fine, we'll have to especially here back one more time, and you will have an option that is a free of space, that should be a disable, remove permission and the free of, it's already disabled. Fine, we will click on here. Yes, check it out. If it is enabled, then you will have to make it disable, guys. Fine, we will cut it from here because it's already disabled. Now we have another browser also in a Google product. Check it out in the Google product how many browser you are using here, and yes, click on especially hold this Chrome browser, not in a Google product, guys. Scan your smartphone how many browser you are using. On each browser you will have to apply a similar strategy, guys. In notification we will make it disable, and after coming in disables, yes, we will come in a permission. Once again we will tap on a locations to make the precise location of, click here don't allow, no longer function as intended. One thing more also we would like to confirm, yes, no permission, free of space, that should be a disable, so it's already enabled, guys. Now we will have to make it disable, cut it from here. Once again we will come in a Play Store, and it's installing still, so we'll have to wait because the total size of this browser is approximately more than 65 MB, guys. wait and watch carefully, step by step. So don't skip ahead, guys. Every step is very crucial and important for us. If you miss, you won't be able to rescue your Gmail password. Now here it has started to initiate to install it. Fine, let it install firstly, then further we will go. Almost it's installed, guys. Now we will tap to open. So simply it's opening. Don't do anything, otherwise it will take a much more time. So directly we will skip as much as we can here. So now see here, click on a cancel and yes, tap on this Google. So when we tap in an initial time, it will be a functional slowly, but don't worry, guys. Here tap on a sign in. When we tap on sign in, now we can see here we are in directly Google sign in. Tap on here particular Gmail that we would like to rescue. So let me fine, let's see, pick this ID that we would like to recover, tap on next and go for forgot password because we don't have a password, guys. So now see how many alternative option is coming. One is a device that maybe especially device is locked with, so just we will try another way. Now here is a last password asking. Fine, we don't have, so we will click on here, try another way. Fine. Now it's a verified ID. Last one, two-digit phone number is a 52. If you have, then you can get OTP and you can easily reset off your Gmail password. If you don't have, then don't click on a text or call. Just tap on a here. Don't have. Now here we can see 2-3 option is more given. One is answer as many questions as we can. Second is that use a device where we have to sign in before or you have signed in before. And third is that alternative email or family link. So we have sent an email to your parents to change your password. Fine, so here is more options in that. More tips to rescue of your accounts. We will pick this one and we will go ahead. Why? Yes, easily we will take a Google Assistant and easily this ID it will be especially and fully recovered. How it is? Don't click on here, try again. So otherwise maybe a Google tracks easily that I'm trying to especially rescue from this particular Gmail via Google browser, via especially different browser. So we will approach a Google Assistant. So we will have to come in a setting, guys. In setting 2, of course, we will come in a Google services and preferences. Not in a system update, guys. So we will have to back here and we will come in a Google services and preferences, and here yes we will tap on this help options. When we tap on here, then this help search bar will be open. Here we will have to write a hacked. Fine, now this option will be open, that hacked Gmail recovery. We will have to pick this one, and here you will have to compromise. What is that? Secure hacked or compromised Gmail account. So these things, especially this option on it, we will have to tap it. So directly would be a transfer on here, and after coming here we will have to pick this review your account activities. Tap on it. Here is a find out if your account has been hacked. Tap on it. Now we will come on here. See, these tips to can help, or these tips can help. Just we will come on here. Now here is especially confirm that. Here you have to confirm that create a replacement Google account. Second is that avoid getting locked out of your Gmail account. If the two option is coming, it means you are sure on a right path, and tap on this Google recovery page. So directly would be a transfer to a recovery mode. Now here if we tap one time, this ID would be reflected and we will have to pick it, and don't do anything, just gently we will tap on an X and don't do anything. So now see, fully ID would be recovered, guys. Now see here, don't click on a continue also, otherwise would be a trap in its verify option, and as we know that you don't have the recovery email and phone, so that easily OTP would be generated on a last 5 2 digits, so you don't have, so we cannot reset a password here. So we will try to approach by update password. So when we go for this options, then you will have the strong opportunity to create the strong password, confirm a strong password, save it. After saving, we will come in a Google account management to a sign in or security center. They add a firstly alternative email. After adding an alternative email, we can remove easily old recovery phone number that was added, or someone who has added. Maybe after removing that, we can add a new phone number, and this ID will be fully secured. This thing I will not show you especially further, guys, because this is a privacy concern of my viewer who was totally worried, especially today, guys. Now finally this ID has been recovered. So this is all about in this video tutorial. But if you are unable to execute by these things, that if you think we have a customized, then you can drop your Gmail by free. Of course we will rescue and we will deliver to you, but you should have no any objection if I disclose your Gmail on this channel in a public domain, guys. So this is all about. Or further any inquiry, of course I have a query below the comment box. Pleasure would be mine to reply your query, guys. So thank you for staying till the end of this tutorial. This is a technology welfare, guys. I will be back with new step by step tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much indeed, because it really supports this channel, guys, and your supports we needed. Thank you very much indeed.